Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to be looking at the Forex market wrap. We're going to be looking at what's moving at the moment. And at the moment, the dollar is moving. We've seen a huge shift in the sentiment as of today. What we thought from Powell being less dovish, so to say, and a bit of a non-starter event, has actually pretty much turned around and said that a September taper is very, very low. He's talking about the Delta variant and the coronavirus being a huge risk to their employment figures. And yeah, essentially the taper talk as what we were looking at in yesterday's video, where I thought that the Federal Reserve or Jerome Powell will kind of downplay anything has not been in that. So a couple of things that kind of stem from his press conference so far. He said the outlook for the labour market has brightened considerably in recent months. The prospects are good for continued progress towards max employment. However, he said inflation at these levels are a cause for concern, but elevated inflation readings likely to prove transitory. So there's lots of mixed messages coming out from Powell at the moment, but he has gone and talked about the fact that the Delta variant coronavirus situation is something that is making them not want to jump at the moment. And yeah, essentially the higher inflation is a bit of a concern, and yeah, we could see some more dovishness out of Powell, and this has affected the US dollar. We've seen a decent sort of reversal here. If I actually go to the hourly, you can see the reversal here as Jerome Powell has began his speech. It's these two candlesticks in here, and I thought I'd wait in order to do the Forex market wrap, because we were in this zone, and yesterday we were talking about being buyers of the dollar if price traded above these highs, and that's obviously not happened now. Price has broken to the downside actually here, and if it continues to fall, then a large shift could continue here, and we could see now a move further down, because this is not what dollar bulls want to hear. The taper talk was really propping the dollar at the moment, and with that not happening, or the chance of it not happening, has caused this dollar sell-off. This could obviously cause a few moves elsewhere. So if we go to look at pound, for instance, and we look at the daily time frame, price looks to actually be forming a bit of a higher low here. So we're definitely getting a shift in what's going on at the moment, because originally we were looking for the potential for this market to continue if we were to see the dollar remain bullish. That flipping on its head now, we could see a higher low form here. We could see a continuation of this move to the upside, maybe back towards 1.4. So this last minute sort of move by Powell really shifted the momentum in the market. If we go take a look at Aussie US dollar as well, Aussie US dollar was something that we thought the trend may continue on. It still may continue. We haven't technically made a change of trend yet, and we are approaching this resistance level. So if it was to reject and move to the downside here, then we'd still see that downtrend in motion. However, if price was to break out of these highs, then we'd likely see a reversal to the market. So interesting. We'll see how the market closes. Obviously, we'll talk a little bit more about this in the week ahead analysis, as this is still going on at the moment, and I will catch up with you in the next video in the week ahead. I hope you enjoyed the content this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.